ating camera.
Hello, maraming salamat po for joining us here today.
So, I'm sure everyone here can agree na talagang sobrang ganda naman ang alagandang couple, kunis alagandang couple that we have here today. At talagang